Hello, I'm Jake Ford. I'm a senior product manager at Accredible, and today I'm excited to share with you Accredible's new email campaigns feature. It's an industry first learner engagement tool that enables training and education leaders to increase credential sharing, program referrals, and help you grow your program. Credential issuers now understand the power of digital credentials in opening up new acquisition channels. The more you increase learner engagement with their earned certification, the more those learners will go on to share them, add them to email signatures and their LinkedIn profiles, which in turn helps attract attention and new learners to your program. However, until today, issuers have been very limited in control of these emails. They haven't been able to segment them to reach the right audience at the right time, and they haven't had much ability to measure the impact of these additional emails. That's why our team at Accredible has made significant enhancements to our email marketing functionality with today's launch of email campaigns. With today's release, you now have complete control to define the purpose, the timing, and content of your credential email campaigns. Using your learner engagement data, you can create tailored automated messages like sharing reminders, re-enrollment incentives, or renewal notices to engage learners and ultimately drive better conversion, better sharing, and program referrals. For example, you could create an email trigger that sends a follow-up to recipients that haven't opened their credential a week after it's been sent to them. Or you could create an automated email to recipients who have opened that email but haven't shared their credential with their LinkedIn network. With Accredible's advanced analytics, you and your team can track and visualize all of this in real time to further optimize your campaign performance. Now let's dive into the Accredible platform to show you an example of how you can reach and convert your learners who have not engaged with their credential after 2 weeks. Now, back on the Accredible dashboard, in the emails section of our site, we've added a new tab called Email Campaigns, where you'll see all of the campaigns you've created listed. You can filter through and check their status. We're going to make a new campaign where we want to remind anybody who hasn't opened their credential after 2 weeks to engage with their credential to share it to their network. So we can call it our goal here. We're trying to increase credential engagement, and we've given it a name that makes sense for us for our 2-week reminder. When we're on this new screen, the Credential Builder, there are 3 really important ingredients that let you totally customize what this email does. We can specify the audience who it's going to, the trigger, when the email should send, and we can pick the exact email template that we want to send them so we can customize the content really specifically down to our exact purpose. In this case, our audience, we want to send it to any credential where the user has not engaged with their credential yet, because we're trying to remind them to come and engage with their credential. And our trigger, we want to do this 2 weeks after the credential's been published to catch anybody that still hasn't engaged with their credential after 2 weeks. We've now just told the system with those 2 quick steps, this is anybody who hasn't engaged with their credential after 2 weeks, they're going to get this email. And the email that they're going to get, we choose right now out of our list of templates we've created in our account. I've got my 2-week engagement reminder email, and that's it. I've made my campaign. I can save and activate it. And as soon as I hit activate, this is going to run in the background automatically. And then every day, anybody who has a credential that's 2 weeks old and has not been engaged is going to get this email. I can see all of my active email campaigns back on the email campaigns list. And I can always deactivate ones if I want to try out a different version to test one against the other. So that was one example. And reminders are really powerful in helping convert more learners into engaging with their credentials. But you could also use the same campaign tools to build out campaigns around expiry. If your credentials expire, you can convert more of those learners to come back and renew on time and not let their credentials lapse. You could also send out additional offers, try and get people to come back and enroll for other courses. There's so much flexibility with the campaign builder. You can build campaigns for whatever use case you're interested in. At the end of the day, Accredible's made email campaigns to help you grow your program. And we've already seen a lot of encouraging results so far from customers who have had early access to the feature. We've seen multiple customers with a dramatic increase in their share rate and referral rate by targeting people at the right time, sending additional reminders, and better converting copy around sharing. We've also seen customers who have drastically increased their revenue by sending additional incentives and sign-up reminders for other courses that might be related, helping to convert more of those learners back into other courses. No matter the use case, email campaigns gives you a powerful tool to target the right learners with the right message at the right time to help you increase learner engagement and grow your program.